Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia and I have also cracked TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. In this video, we will discuss most important MCQs related to legal aptitude that is very important from the point of view of TS Law Set and AP Law Set. So without wasting our time, let's discuss these questions of legal aptitude. So the first question is free consent. Once again. A free consent is defined under section dash of Indian Contract Act 1872. Its right answer is A. Uh, Section 14 of the Indian Contract Act. Question number 2. Which of the following shall make a contract void? Its right answer is B. Unlawful object. Question number 3. In which case did the Supreme Court declare that no one can be forced to sing national anthem as long as they respect it? Its right answer is D. Bizo, Immunal and others versus State of Kerala. Question number 4 is not a rich. Dash is not a rich. Its right answer is B. Temporary injunction is not a writ. Question number 5. Wide which resolution of United Nations General Assembly was International Law Commission established? Its right answer is B. Resolution Clause 2nd. Question number 6. Supreme Court of India laid down the indicators for interpreting other authorities under Article 12 of the Constitution of India in. Its right answer is A. Ajay Hasia versus Khalid Mujib. Question number 7. What is COMPAT? Its right answer is B. Competition Appellate Tribunal. Question number 8. Parliament can legislate on state. One second. Par- Parliament can legislate on state matter in national interest under. Its right answer is B. Article 249 Constitution of India. Question number 9. What provision of Indian Constitution guarantees protection against retrospective application of criminal law? Its right answer is B. Article 20, Clause 1. Question number 10. Pick the odd one out with respect to Article 19, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution. Its right answer is D. Defamation. Question number 11. Supreme Court has formulated the test of dash for the purpose of interpreting other authorities under Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Its right answer is B. Instrumentality of state. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a state for the purpose of Article 12 of the Constitution of India? Its right answer is A. Board of Cricket, Board of Control for Cricket in India. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is not true about intellectual property? Its right answer is A. Second only. That is, intellectual property law is the law of the evidence pertaining to patent and determining the validity. It is not correct regarding intellectual property. Question number 14. Constituent Assembly of India met for the first time on. Its right answer is B. 9th December 1946. Question number 15. Which amongst the following is not a fundamental right in India? Its right answer is D. None of these above. It means it all is fundamental right under the Constitution of India. Question number 16. Injury. One second. Question number 16. Injury caused by negligent. One second. Question number 16. Injury caused by negligent throw of a ball shall come within the ambit of. Its right answer is A. Malfeasance. Question number 17. Are international customs a source of international law? Its right answer is A. Yes. Subject to the evidence of general practice. Question number 18. What is dualism? Its right answer is B. Theory recognizing international law and municipal law as distinct. Question number 19. Universal Declaration of Human Rights is contained in. Its right answer is A. Article 68 of the United Nations Charter. Question number 20. International law is a. Its right answer is D. All of the above. Its right answer is D. All of the above. That is soft law, law without jurisdiction, and law without sanction. Question number 21. Can fundamental rights be waived off? Its right answer is C. No. As per the decision of the Supreme Court in Basesar Nath versus Commissioner Income Tax. Question number 22. After which landmark judgment of the Supreme Court? After which landmark judgment of the Supreme Court was Article 15 Clause 4 added to the Indian Constitution? Its right answer is D. State of Madras versus Champakam Dorai Rajan. Question number Question number 23. Constitutional validity of death penalty was discussed by the court in. Its right answer is B. Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab. Question number 24. Which of the following cannot be a copyright work? Its right answer is C. New interpretation of a religious text. Question number 26. Oh, question number 25. What is meant by just gestionis? Its right answer is A. Commercial acts of a nation. Question number 26. Forum prorogatum means. Its right answer is C. Conferring jurisdiction to the International Court of Justice after institution of proceedings with the consent of the party. Question number 27. A company a company is incorporated under section dash of Companies Act 2013. Its right answer is A. Section 7. Question number 28. Who is the natural guardian of an adopted minor's son as per Hindu law? Its right answer is A. Adoptive adoptive father. Question number 29. Appellate civil jurisdiction is conferred in the Supreme Court by. Its right answer is C. Article 133 of the Constitution of India. Question number 30. Which of the following is not an objective for the establishment of the United Nations? Its right answer is D. Promotion of trade and commerce amongst member nations. Question number 31. The principles on which United Nations is based are contained in. Its right answer is B. Its right answer is B. One second. Its right answer is B. Article 2 of the United Nations Charter. Question number 32. Report of Mandal Commission was challenged before the Supreme Court of India in. Its right answer is D. Indra Sawhney versus Union of India. Question number 33. Which case established that fundamental rights can also be enjoyed by companies formed by citizens of India? Its right answer is A. Bennett Coleman versus and Company versus Union of India. Question number 34. In which case did the Supreme Court of India acknowledge freedom of press? Its right answer is C. Romesh Thapar versus Union of India. Question number 35. Which of the following is not a part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution? Its right answer is A. Article 31 of the Constitution of India. Question number 36. Parliamentary privileges are extended to state legislature by the virtue of. Its right answer is B. Article 194 of the Constitution of India. Question number 37. Doctrine of pith and substance means. Its right answer is C. Its right answer is C. Substance of a law is the determining factor of legislative competence. Question number 38. Anticipatory bail is granted under section dash of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Its right answer is A. Under section 38 of the Code of Criminal Procedure and under BNSS it is 480 section 482. It is 482. Question number 39. Number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is. All this section is wrong. Right answer is 34. 34 judges including including Chief Justice of India. Question number 40. What is meant by the de facto recognition of a state in international law? Its right answer is B. State is recognized factually by other states. Question number 41. Voluntary non-fit injuria is a defense under. Its right answer is B. Law of torts. Question number 42. Pick the odd one out with regards to US Constitution. Its right answer is C. Double jeopardy. Question number 43. The seats of Cyber Appellate Tribunal is at. Its right answer is C. New Delhi. Question number 44. A contract is discharged by. Its right answer is D. All of the above. It means it will be contract will be discharged by impossibility of performance, breach of contract, and waiver of performance. It means right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 45. Mithun asked Ramesh for lending his horse for a consideration of 700 per day. Ramesh responded with a telegram stating that the consideration should be 800. The contract is. Its right answer is D. None of the above. None of these. Question number 46. Which of the following events nullifies a communication? Its right answer is B. Revocation before communication is transmitted to the promisee. Question number 47. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is D. Its right answer is D. One second. D. Question number 48. Supreme Court of India is established under. Its right answer is B. Article 124 of the Constitution of India. Question number 49. Jurisdiction of a High Court under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act is. Its right answer is C. Ordinary original. Question number 50. What was Justice Mudugal Committee concerned with? Its right answer is A. Spot fixing probe in IPL. Question number 51. Ab extra from the beginning. Ab initio. Dash. Dash. Once again. Once again. Okay. एक second. 1 second. Dash. Its right answer is B. From outside. Question number 52. Ratio in jure equitas integra means. Its right answer is A. Reason in law is perfect equity. Reason in law is perfect equity. Question number 53. Res integra means. Its right answer is A matter untouched. Question number 54. Ubi jus immedium ist means. Its right answer is D. Where there is a right, there is a remedy. Question number 55. Voluntas in delictis non exitus spectator means. Its right answer is D. In offenses, the intent and not the physical action is looked at. Question number 56. Which of the following is not covered within the purview of RTI Act 2005? Its right answer is D. None of these. It's mean it all is covered under the purview of the RTI Act. RTI means right to information. Right to information. Right to information. Question number 57. Exemption from taxes in respect of religious affairs is ensured by. Its right answer is A. Article 27 of the Constitution of India. Question number 58. Punishment for the offence of culpable homicide not amounting to murder is contained in. Its right answer is B. 304 of the Indian Penal 304 clause 2nd of the Indian Penal Code, and in BNS it is in 105. Question number question number 59. Sir, 5 EC Act stands for. Its right answer is C. Security Status on and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act. Question number 60. Tribunals. Question number 60. Tribunals are established under. Its right answer is B. Article 323A of the Constitution of India. Question number 61. Piracy is recognized as a universal crime by. Its right answer is C. United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Question number 62. What provisions of the Indian Constitution prohibits forced labor? Its right answer is B. Article 23 of the Constitution of India. Question number 63. National Legal Service Act 1987 is in pursuance of. Its right answer is D. Article 39A of the Indian Constitution. Question number 64. What provision of Indian Constitution defines state? What provisions of the Indian Constitution defines state? Its right answer is A. Article 12. Question number 65. The term of a patent under Patent Act is. Its right answer is A. 20 years from the date of application. Question number 66. What is a debenture? Its right answer is B. Security acknowledging debt. Question number 67. Institution of Supreme Court of India was created by. Its right answer is A. Regulating Act 1773. Question number 68. Tri-Sits Act. Its right answer is A. New Delhi. And Tri stands for Telecom Regulatory Regulatory Authority of India. Of India. Question number 69. Family Courts Act was enacted in. Question number 69. Family Courts Act was enacted in. Its right answer is B. 1984. It was established in 1984. Question number 70. What is meant by right to consular access? Its right answer is A. Right to contact the local embassy. Question number 71. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is D. Nationality. Question number 72. Forcefully narco-analysis of an accused in a trial is. Its right answer is C. Both A and B. It's mean invalid as per the ruling of the Supreme Court of India in Selvi versus State of Karnataka and is invalid as per Article 20, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India. So the right answer is C. Question number 73. Which one of the following is not law for the purpose of Article 13 Indian Constitution? Its right answer is A. Draft notification. Question number 74. What is doctrine of severability? Its right answer is C. All law is invalid only to the extent of inconsistency with the Constitution of India. Question number 75. Sale of property is performed under Section Dash of Transfer of Property Act 1882. Its right answer is A. Section 54. Question number 76. Cognizable offense is defined under. Its right answer is B. Section 2C of the Code of Criminal Procedure. And under BNSS, it is Section 2, Clause G. Question number 77. Salus Populi est suprema lex means. Its right answer is C. Protection of people is the supreme law. Question number 78. What is restitution of conjugal rights in a marital relationship? Its right answer is C. Restoration of co-inheritance of the spouse. Question number 79. Every right is accompanied by. Its right answer is C. Remedy for its breach. Question number 80. Which of the following is not a reasonable restriction of fundamental rights to trade and profession? Its right answer is B. Only second. Question number 81. National Company Law Tribunal is established under. Its right answer is A. Companies Act 2013. Question number 82. Pick the odd one out with respect to nationality under international law. Its right answer is C. Extradition. Question number 83. What is statelessness in international law? Its right answer is A. A person deprived of his her nationality. Question number 82. In India, extradition is wholly governed by. Its right answer is C. It means it is governed by Extradition Act 1962 and International Treaty on Extradition. Question number 85. Public interest litigation emerged in the case of. Its right answer is B. Bandhua Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. Question number 86. Does right to life includes right of an individual to die, thus making the provision punishing suicide as unconstitutional? Its right answer is D. No. As per the judgment of Supreme Court of India in Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. Question number 87. Intelligible differentia as per Indian Constitution means. Its right answer is C. The grounds for making classes amongst people shall be reasonable. Question number 88. Article 16, Clause 2. Article 16, Clause. One second. One second. Article 16, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution does not include dash as ground for. Its right answer is A. Discrimination as ground for discrimination. Its right answer is A. Domicile. Domicile. The Indian Constitution does not include the domicile as ground for discrimination. Question number 89. Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India does not apply to. Its right answer is C. Both A, one second. Both both A and B. It means it does not apply to people detained under preventive detention laws and alien enemies. So the right answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 90. In a conflict between Article 15 and Article 29 of the Constitution of India, its right answer is A. Its right answer is A. Article 29 prevails. Question number 91. What is a bailable offense? Its right answer is B. Offense in which bail is a matter of right for the accused. Question number 92. Arrange the following judicial post in the ascending order of their seniority. Its right answer is C. So the right answer is C. It means it will be first, it will be second, and it will be third. Question number 93. Committee for Implementation of Legal Aid Service, which was chaired by. Its right answer is C. Justice P.N. Bhagavati. Its right answer is C. Justice P.N. Bhagavati. Question number 94. Qui non improbate approbate means. Its right answer is C. One second. It is not a right answer. So the right answer of question number 94 is B. He who does not disapprove approves. Question number 95. What is meant by dividend? Its right answer is C. Profit issued to an equity shareholder by the company. Question number 96. Pick the odd one out. Its right answer is C. Registered company. Question number 97. Member states of United Nations are. Its right answer is C. 193. Question number 98. What is pledge? Its right answer is B. Bailment of goods as security for repayment of money. Question number 99. The maximum number of members. Once again, once again. The maximum number of members of IRDA at a particular time can be. Its right answer is B. 10. And the full form of IRDA is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So the full form of IRDA is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Question number 100. If X murders Y in USD, a country where murder is no offense, and an extradition treaty exists between two countries, X can be prosecuted in India for. Its right answer is D. X cannot be prosecuted. So for today's, that's it. We will discuss more in upcoming video. If you are visiting first time this video, you can visit previous videos. That will be very helpful for your preparation, and it will be helpful for your in your exam. So thank you very much. Thank you.